weatherman. How glad can it be? The sun, it don't want to shine. Everyone's mad at me. When I got this job, I thought I've got it made. Now I think I made it rain on everyone's parade. They want me to stop thunder, and I don't think I can. Just a weatherman. I am the weatherman. What do I know? I said put your suntan lotion on, but now you're plowing snow. They want me to stop thunder, and I don't think that I can. I'm just a weatherman. I am the weatherman. How crappy can it get? I forecasted partial sun. Now everyone's all wet. Hey buddy, how fucking sees terrible visibility. I'm just a weatherman. All I am. I am the weatherman. Predicted with my knee. It happened a long time ago. My football injury. Sometimes I call for thunder, sometimes a hurricane.